So hey, what's up guys, today I'm going to show you how you can deploy a virtual machine in Google Cloud. So without further ado, let's get started. To get started, fire up any browser, doesn't really matter. I'm using Safari. Now you have to search for Google Cloud free tier. Now click on the first link. When you log in for first time, it will show you get started for free. Click on get started for free. Now you have to agree the terms and conditions. You can't deny them. So let's agree it and continue. Select your region. I think it would be by default selected. Here you have to select the account type. It would be business, either individual. So we are creating for ourselves, not for business. So let's create for individual. You have to enter your card number and few details. To enter your card number and few other details, and click on start my free trial. It will deduct around 1 rupee from your account and it will be refunded. Don't worry, it would be refunded. And here Google Cloud will give you $300 free credit to explore the Google Cloud for the 90 days. We will create a virtual machine in aspect of $300 for 90 days, means 3 months. So $100 each month will be perfect for our virtual machine. The specifications will be 16 GB RAM and 4 core. So I will take you to the Google console. So here is my Google console. You can see it. I will hide the credentials. So let's go to billing. Go to billing. You have to click on 3 dots. Click on billing. Here you can see your remaining credits. Mine is 17,580 rupees out of 21,000, around 22,000. So now let's go to Compute Engine and search for VM instance. Now click on Create Instance. Here the default configuration will be two CPUs and 4 GB of memory. Search for 16 GB RAM and change so make sure you the monthly estimate, or else you will select any configuration and it will cost you heavily. So make sure you select proper specifications, which will last you 3 months and it won't exhaust all credits in 1 month. So I think 16 GB RAM would be enough to last for 3 months. Now scroll down and change the boot disk. Select Windows Server and now go search for Windows Server 2019 Data Center server with desktop experience, not x86 build or server core, just with desktop experience. Now increase the size up to 160 GB. It would be enough. You can add more if you need it in the future. Now select allow HTTPS traffic and HTTP traffic. Monthly estimate is $248. Don't worry, it won't cost you that much. If you will switch it off at night when you are not using it, it won't charge. So make sure switch off the virtual machine when you're not using it, or else it will cost you even though you are not using the virtual machine. So make sure to stop the virtual machine when you're not using it. It won't charge you. See, don't worry. The monthly estimate is $248 out of 300. But if you switch it off at night, it will cost you half of the price. So it's worthy. Select 8 GB 2 CPUs. So now we have configured our virtual machine. Now we can create our virtual machine. So let's hit on the create button. While this VM instance is creating, I will tell you why I choose Google Cloud. I could have chosen AWS or Azure. So reason behind that is AWS free tier, you get compute virtual machine for 750 hours means per month. T2 and T3 micro means it is around 1 GB or 3 GB. If you go higher than that, it will charge you from your credit card. So make sure 3 or 2 T2 micro, or else it will charge you from your credit card, and you can't go higher than that. But and in Azure you get $200 credit for 30 days. The credit is enough to explore, days are not. That's why I didn't go for Azure and AWS. That's why I chose Google Cloud, because it gives us $300. So that's why I chose Google Cloud. So let's see if our virtual machine is created or not. Let's go to Google platform. Yeah, it's running. Now we will click on instance and set the password for the virtual machine. It will take a while to set the password. Now copy the password. You can save it somewhere in your notepad. Close it. Copy the IP address, external IP address, not the primary one. Copy the external IP address. Now open any remote desktop client. I am using RD client. Add a workspace, add a PC, and enter your IP address and save, and connect to your virtual machine. Now type your virtual machine name. Mine was Ayush _tech 100. Enter your password. So we are connected to our virtual machine. See, the lag will be there if you connect for the first time, but after some time the lag is negligible. So now we have connected to our virtual machine. So now we are connected to our virtual machine. Let me show you the configuration. So yeah, there it is. 16 GB of memory and 4 virtual processors. There we go. If you want to use your dual monitor setup in your virtual machine also, you have to use remote desktop connection application, which is inbuilt in Windows. Open that application, click on show options, go to display setting, and check the box where it would be written use all my external monitors, and you would be able to use all your monitors in virtual machine also. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.